Hi, this is Ricky, and it looks like RotorHazard 4.2 has released. So let's update it. Here's my RotorHazard timer. It's currently running. I'm on 4.1.1. And the instructions on how to update an existing installation are right here. So let's get started. First thing I need to do is open up PowerShell and log in. And then I just follow the instructions. First thing it says to do is to stop RotorHazard, so I'm going to copy that. And I'm going to paste it. And then the next thing, I'm going to copy this. And I'm going to use a text file to switch this version 1.2.3 stuff. So it is version 4.2.0. And then I'm going to change this to 4.2.0. So now that I have this, I'm going to copy all of this. And then I'm going to paste it in there and hit enter. Then the next thing is copy this and paste that. Okay, that looks like that was done. And then I usually just reboot it, so then I wait a little bit and see if this works. I heard a double beep on my lap timer, so there it is. And now I'm on version 4.2.0. Hope this helps anyone that is updating their lap timer.